Good afternoon student. Today we will do the verification of inverse square law of light using a photo cell. Here in place of photo cell, as it works on the photovoltaic effect only, I will use the solar cell over here. Now for this experiment, what apparatus we require, that is the photo cell, light source, ammeter, voltmeter and a distance to distance that will be measured by the scale. So that scale we will just take it, and what we have to do, we have to just place the scale at 3 different distances. Now what see in the reading that I will show you over here, this was about the manual. In the reading table that we will have, it will have column of serial number, position of the lamp, deflection, distance from photocell, and E is equal to I by D square. This deflection theta is now changed in the observation table as we are having distance, that is here VI, and then its power. Then we will calculate I is equal to P by A. Clear? That observation table I have changed in this form, that will give you the same value, E is equal to I upon D square. This table has been changed to calculate the value of I, that is current P upon A, and that is P is the power, and per unit area of cross section, that is having the fall of the intensity of the current. Clear? Now we will start the practical, and in this I have taken 3 distances. So we will take 3 distances between the solar cell, that is 10. See, this is 10 centimeter that we are taking, and when we switch on the supply, I am just taking it at a particular resistance, that is 22 ohms. Now the distance at this 10 centimeter, we are having the value as about 12 milliampere, and the voltage is near about 260 or 70 around. Clear? That is the value at 10 centimeter. Now we will just increase the distance at 15 centimeter. Now see, the value of the current is near about 7.5, and the value of the voltmeter is around 180 millivolt. Clear? Then we will again increase the distance at 20, 10, 15, 20. Now it is, see, it is at 20, and what is the value of the current that we are having? It is 5 milliampere, and the current is about 120 or 30 around, 20 around it is. So that is the value for the millivolt. So that we will just write it over here, the value in voltage and the current in the ampere, and that we will just take it out in the form of P is equal to V into I, and then we will calculate I is equal to P by A. Area of the cross section that I have given you earlier, which was just calculated by measuring the length and the breadth, that was 3.5 around and 1.5 or 3.75 that I have given you in the previous calculation of the practical. That area we will use over here, and we will calculate the I, and this I will be used to calculate E value as I by D square. Clear? Now this I by D square, whatever value we will get, that we can use it to plot the graph also. That is I which we have got, that is the theta. I told you that that has been reformed into this table. I is theta, and then 1 by D square. That is D square you will take, and reciprocal of that you will take. So you will place the graph between I and 1 by D square. That will verify the inverse square law. So this was all about the inverse square law practical. Thank you.